Virus and viroids. First topic is virus. Virus are acellular, highly infectious microorganisms which are considered to be a lethal disease producing organisms or threshold of life. Nowadays, coronavirus COVID-19 is very infectious, producing corona in the human beings, and it is very lethal and infectious disease. Viruses are acellular. Adolf Mayer had demonstrated that mosaic disease of tobacco is infectious when the juice from tobacco plant infected with the tobacco mosaic virus was injected into a healthy plant. The plant showed symptoms of mosaic disease. So, tobacco plant contain tobacco mosaic or suffered from TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Adolf Mayer first demonstrated that tobacco plant has a tobacco mosaic virus. In 1892, D.J. Ivanovsky confirmed the observation of Mayer. Ivanovsky prepared an extract of infected tobacco plant and showed that this extract could infect healthy plant even after it was passed through filter that retains virus. M.W. Bezernik called it as a virus venom or poisonous fluid and referred it is a contagium vivarum fluidum, meaning contagious living fluid. The term virus was first coined by or discovered by Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur is given Louis Pasteur, the first man who given the name virus. Louis Pasteur, who discovered vaccine of rabies virus. Today our knowledge of viruses is due to efforts of scientists like Frederick William, T. Word, Flex D. Herrle, Schlesinger, W. Stanley, Hershey and Chase. So viruses are ultra microscopic, or they do not see without naked eyes or compound microscope. They will be seen with the electronic microscope. Next topic is the structure of a virus. We will see the structure of a virus. Virus is made up of simply DNA or RNA, and around is a protein layer is present, or it is capsid. Virus is acellular. They are highly infectious microorganisms, but they do not have cell wall. They have only RNA or nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, and a capsid made up of protein. The detailed structure of viruses was studied only after the invention of electron microscope, because viruses did not seen in the compound microscope or naked eyes. Viruses are acellular, microscopic, disease causing agents in very infectious entities. Their size ranges from 10 nanometer to 2000 nanometer, means it is very small than a big bacteria. 10 nanometer to 2000 nanometer is the size of a virus. Some of the larger viruses are, however, as large as some of the smaller bacteria. Viruses do not grow, do not eat food or respire. Means viruses growing, they are not grown, do not eat food, or even they do not respire. Viruses are obligate parasite and can multiply only within the cells of the other host. Obligate parasite means an obligate parasite is a parasite organism that cannot complete its life cycle without exploiting a suitable host. If an obligate parasite cannot obtain a host, it will fail to reproduce or multiply. So viruses need host to multiply or reproduce. So it is called as obligate parasite and can multiply within the living host only. They have capacity to transmit the disease from disease to healthy organisms. Viruses show very simple structure. A nucleic acid means RNA or DNA, but never both. RNA is present or otherwise DNA is present, never present both the nucleic acid RNA and DNA. So viruses contain only RNA or only DNA. They do not have both. This is the structure of viruses. We will see now the characteristics of viruses. Characteristics of viruses. They can be crystallized, said Stanley in 1935 obtained viruses in crystalline form from tobacco leaves infected by TMV, means tobacco mosaic virus. They can be stored for long period outside the body of the host. They do not show any activity. They are like non-living things. So viruses are like a non-living thing without any host. In that they do not have their own metabolic machinery. They utilize the ribosome and enzymes of the host cell for synthesis of protein during reproduction. They do not have any metabolic activities without the host. So host is very important for viruses to reproduce. Most of the viruses are highly resistant to germicides, insecticide, pesticide. They do not kill any germicide. And extreme of physical conditions. Viruses exhibits mutation. Mutation means Mutation means when the gene damaged or changed is called mutation. Viruses are also synthesis of during reproduction. Most of the viruses are very resistant to germicide or insecticide. An extreme of physical condition, viruses exhibits mutation. They can be cultured on artificial medium, artificial nutrient medium. Viruses are host specific. Thus viruses shows characteristics of living as well as non-living. Therefore they are said to be on the threshold of life. Means viruses are very infectious. They reproduce in the host cell and produce various diseases in plants and animals. On the basis of that, the viruses are classified into various types. Now we will see the classification of viruses. There are three types of viruses on the basis of infection or infected. Number one is plant virus. Plant viruses. Number two is animal virus. And number three is bacterial virus. Or bacterial viruses. This is RNA or DNA, and it is capsomeres. Or protein capsomere, made up of protein. Then animal virus, a single layer of capsid, or it is a capsid RNA. And next is bacterial viruses or bacteriophages. These are the bacteriophages. Classification of viruses. Viruses are of three types on the basis of infection, on the basis of infection. Viruses are classified into three hosts on the basis of their hosts. First one is plant virus. The viruses which attack and infect the plants are called plant viruses. These viruses consist of ssRNA, ssRNA or dsRNA, means single stranded RNA and double stranded RNA. The viruses which attack and infect plants are called plant viruses. These viruses consist of single stranded RNA and or double stranded RNA. They show helical symmetry. Helical symmetry means they looks like a screw. It is called as helical symmetry. Viruses or plant viruses are helical symmetry and are mostly rod shaped or cylindrical shape. They are mostly rod shaped, means like this, rod shape or cylindrical shape. Which virus? Plant virus. Second one is animal virus. The viruses which attack and infect animals are called animal viruses. The genetic material is either RNA or DNA. The viruses which attack and infect the animals are called the animal viruses. The genetic material is either RNA or DNA. They show radial symmetry. This is the herpes virus. Herpes virus of animals. They show radial symmetry, means they can divide equally into parts. The outer covering is capsid made up of protein, and DNA or RNA its genetic material. This is herpes virus. They are mostly polyhedral in shape and only infected only the animals, including human. Third one is bacterial viruses or bacteriophages. Third type is bacteriophages. Bacteriophages or bacterial virus. The viruses which attack and infect bacteria are called bacteriophages or bacterial viruses. The genetic material is DNA. They were discovered by T. Ward in 1915. Flex D. Harrelly named them a bacteriophage because they infect the bacteria, so it is called as bacteriophages. They are mostly tadpole shaped. These are the three types of viruses. Plant viruses which infect plants. Second one is animal viruses which infects only animals, and bacterial viruses means only infect bacteria. Next one is economic importance of a virus. Economic importance of viruses. The plant viruses and animal viruses are of great economic importance as they cause various diseases in the plants and animals. Plant diseases caused by viruses. Various plants are infected by viral viruses. Plant viruses like little leaf of brinjal, yellow mosaic of lady's finger, potato leaf roll, leaf curl of papaya, bunty top of banana, grassy shoot of sugarcane, tobacco mosaic disease are the common plant viruses. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by a virus. Yellow mosaic vein, lady's finger, your mosaic virus is bigomo virus, and potato leaf roll caused due to potato leaf roll virus. Leaf curl of papaya is caused by leaf curl of papaya virus. Bunchy top of banana virus, and grassy shoot of sugar is caused by a virus. So various plants are infected by various viruses and produce various diseases in the plants and animals, like little leaf of brinjal, yellow vein mosaic of lady's finger, potato leaf roll, leaf curl of papaya, bunchy top of banana, grassy shoot of sugarcane, tobacco mosaic disease, like some viruses which infect the plants. Mosaic means molting and discoloration of leaves, like tobacco mosaic virus or yellow vein mosaic of lady's finger, in which mosaic means molting and discoloration of leaves. Local lesions, common symptoms due to viral infection in plants are local lesions, clearing of veins, mosaic formation, chlorosis, necrosis, stunning, and premature defoliation, ring spotting, etc. are the symptoms in plants. Symptoms of plants we will see one by one. Mosaic means molting and discoloration of leaves. The green leaves become discolored or yellow and fall down due to mosaic virus. Chlorosis, loss of normal green color of leaves. In this disease also chlorosis occurs. Loss of normal green color of the leaves occurs. Necrosis, cells of the plant is dies, or tissue of the plants are dies due to necrosis due to virus infection. Stunning, a plant disease that results in dwarfing of a plant. Due to infection of virus, the plants cannot grow properly and they become dwarf. Dwarf means the height of the plant is infected. Premature defoliation means the loss of leaves prior to the end of the growth cycle is called premature defoliation. In this disease, loss of fruits occurs or death of the plant occur due to the premature defoliation. Ring spotting, a disease occurs in plants. Spots appear on the leaves of the plants. These are the some symptoms of the plant viruses like mosaic, chlorosis, necrosis, stunning, etc. etc. The second economic importance is animal diseases caused by the viruses. Some important viruses which caused human beings are